Exercise 9.8, question number 1, simplify. Number 1, 5 upon 7 divided by 9 upon 14. So here division is there. So in division what we are going to do? Here division sign will be changed into multiply. And the second fraction 9 upon 14 we will write in reciprocal. Means numerator will change in denominator and denominator will change in numerator. Okay. So first fraction we will write 5 upon 7 and this divide sign will change into multiply, and in reciprocal of 9 upon 14 is 14 upon 9. Okay, so now it become a multiply. So first we have to see which numbers can be divided. So 5 upon 7. Okay, numerator and denominator can be dividable. So 5 and 7 both are prime numbers. Okay, they will not come in the same table. So we will not divide. Now in second fraction 14 upon 9. So they are not a prime number but they will not come in the same table. Okay, so now we will see opposite 5 and 9. So 5 and 9 also will not come in the same table. So 14 and 7. So in 7 table 14 will come. Yes. So 7 1s are 7 2s are 14. So now we will multiply. 5 multiply by 2 upon 1 multiply by 9. So 5 2s are 10. Then 1 9s are 9. So our answer is 10 upon 9. Now number 2. 9 upon 10 divided by 4 upon 5. So first we will change the sign, divide into multiply, then in second fraction in reciprocal. So 9 upon 10 multiply, reciprocal of 4 upon 5 is 5 upon 4. So now we have to see which number is dividable. So 9 upon 10. So both will come in same table? No. Okay, same way in this side fraction 5 upon 4. They will come in same table? No. So now in opposite we will see 9 and 4. They will come in same table? No. Now 5 and 10. In 5 table 10 will come? Yes. 5 1s are 5. 5 2s are 10. So now we will multiply. 9 multiply by 1 upon 2 multiply by 4. So 9 1s are 9 and 2 4s are 8. So our answer is 9 upon 8. Now number 3, 10 upon 11 divided by 2 upon 3. So 10 upon 11, this divide sign will change into multiply, and 2 upon 3. So reciprocal of 2 upon 3 is 3 upon 2. So now we have to see any number can be divide. So see 10 upon 11, they will not come in the same table. Same way 3 upon 2 also not come in the same table. So in opposite 10 upon 2. So in 2 table 10 will come. Yes, 2 5s are 10. And 3 upon 11, they can be divided. No, they will not come in the same table. So now we will multiply. 5 multiply by 3 upon 11 multiply by 1. So 5 3s are 15. 11 1s are 11. So our answer is 15 upon 11. Now number 4, 12 divided by 6 upon 11. So 12, here denominator not there, so we will write here 1 and this divide will become multiply, and the reciprocal of 6 upon 11 is 11 upon 6. So 12 upon 1. So here division is not possible. So 11 upon 6 also they will not come in the same table. Now 12 upon 6. So in 6 table 12 will come. Yes, 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12. So now we will multiply. 2 multiply by 11 upon 1 multiply by 1. So 2 11s are 22 upon 1 1s are 1. So our answer is 22 upon 1. Now number 5, 10 upon 3 divided by 10 upon 4. So 10 upon 3, division sign we will change into multiply. Then reciprocal of 10 upon 4 is 4 upon 10. So now we have to see 10 upon 3, they will not come in the same table. Same way 4 upon 10, they will come, no? Okay, in 2 table. 2 2s are 4, then 2 5s are 10. And here see, and 10 in opposite, 10 upon 5. In 5 table 10 will come? Yes. So 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10. So now we will multiply. Now 2 multiply by 2 upon 3 multiply by 1. So 2 2s are 4, then 3 1s are 3. 4 upon 3. Now number 6, 67 upon 9 divided by 9 upon 4. So 67 upon 9, this division sign change into multiply, and reciprocal of 9 upon 4 is 4 upon 9. Here 67 and 9, they will not come in the same table. Same way 4 upon 9, they will also not come in the same table. In the opposite 67 upon 9, it will also not come in the same table. In this opposite 4 upon 9, this will also not come in the same table. So here what we will do, we will directly multiply. So 67 multiply by 4 upon 9 multiply by 9. So 67 4s are 4 7s are 28. 8 2 will be carried over. 4 6 are 24. 24 plus 2 26. So 268 upon 9 9s are 81. So our answer is 268 upon 81. Now number 7, 53 upon 10 divided by 18 upon 7. So 53 upon 10, this division sign change into multiply, and reciprocal of 18 upon 7 is 7 upon 18. So now we have to see. So 53 and 10. So 53 is a odd number and 10 is a even number. Okay, they will not come in the same table. Same way 7 upon 8, they will also not come in the same table. And here 53 and 18, this also will not come in the same table, and 7 upon 10 also will not come in the same table. So here also we will directly multiply. 53 multiply by 7 upon 10 multiply by 18. So 53 7s are 7 3s are 21. So 1 we will write down, 2 will be carried over. 7 5s are 35. 35 plus 2 37. So 371 upon 10 18s are 180. So our answer is 371 upon 180. Now number 8, 29 upon 3 divided by 40 upon 7. So 29 upon 3, this divide will change into multiply, and reciprocal of 14 upon 7 is 7 upon 40. So 29 divided by 3, it can be divide. No, it will not come in the same table, and 7 upon 14 also not be dividable. It also not come in the same table. Now 29 and 40 also not divisible, and 7 and 3 also not divisible. So here also we will directly multiply. So 29 multiply by 7 upon 3 multiply by 40. So 29 7s are 7 9s are 63. So 3 we will write down, 6 will be carried over. 7 2s are 14. 14 plus 6 20. So 203. Then 40 multiply by 3. 3 zeros are 0. 3 4s are 12. 120. So our answer is 203 upon 120.